Hey crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I'm back again with a little more art. This is part of an assignment, I guess. It's called like the 4 seasons. So I'm starting off with summer just because I didn't want to start off with winter. I don't know. I'm contrary. I'm going to be using a bunch of warm colors and experimentally some hot candle wax. So fun times. So without further ado, I'm just going to shush and get started. Before I get completely silent, I will mention I just got some silicone oil, so I'm super excited about that because I can now get some amazing cells. Gonna get a lot of back canvas there, that's okay. I'm not starting off with a whole lot of paint. Not that I don't have it, it's just that I don't like summer. So that's where, the color inspo comes from, because it's hotter than actual hell here in the summertime. And yeah, this is my dedication to my least favorite season. Maybe that'll be a trivia question for a future Q&A. What's my least favorite time of year? Oof. My white's been doing that. I need to probably clean the nozzle or something. Gonna get that back canvas there, guys. Sorry about that. Oh, it's on my hand. Just gonna like put it there. And what do I want to do now? I think I will break out one of my skewers. No, this part might be muted, I don't know. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is come in with black on my shirt. Just going to pour a little of that. Get the black off my shirt. You might ask why there's black in the middle of my summer. Again, not my favorite time. But I thought to help with the mood, I would bring in some like live candle. Yes. It's citronella candle, so it's kind of fitting, actually. So what I'm gonna do here, it's a little warm to pick up, so I'm gonna get my pouring towel, and I'm just gonna pick it up and pour it over my canvas, because a hot glass is not fun. Ooh, that was almost instantly cooling. So that's kind of cool, I think. Oh wow, it just instantly. I love that. I love that, guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, continue to use the rest of my paint. Actually, I think I'll have it all oriented over here. And give it a sense of unity, having it all drift off to the other side of the canvas. Alright, that red cup is done for. Let's get in here with this orange. It's getting all over my hands. That one's done for. Gonna find my white. There we go. This is beautiful. Alright. And I'm going to use my more vibrant orange that I have bottled over here. I'm going to move my jug of black. And I am going to move this riser. Maybe I should move it over here. And just tilt it. Maybe I'll come in later with some scrapes or something, but the goal for this painting series, I think, is abstract expressionism yet again. So I'm just coming in, you know, doing my thing. And yeah, it's gonna sit there. So, thanks for joining into this tutorial. There will be a part 2 to this with a different season, and I look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, guys, happy making.